Well, hello everybody, and welcome to PCSG. Well, I'm Icelandic farmer, and I wanted to show you how to sign up to this brand new PCSG page. Just to start, you go up to sign up. You write your name that you want to have showing, like I have, like Icelandic farmer. You will put your email address that you are using and password, and you need to confirm password. Password should be choosing a password. A good password consists of 8 or more characters, mixtures of letters and numbers, mixtures of upper and lower cases, special characters, non-dictionary words. What you could say, you basically make a password that is with big letters, small letters, and numbers. And as if you mix it all together, it will get it harder for people to crack. Other thing, you can make write something down about yourself, and you have a lot of stuff here to put in. You can put in some emojis, put in like a minion or something, whatever. What you need to do too is you need to press if you're playing farming sim and if you're playing truck sim. If you're not playing one of them, then you should not press that games that you are not playing. Others you can type in, that's optional. If you have other games that you're playing, Twitch, all of those here are optional. But you can write what you want. If you have a Twitch channel, for example, Facebook page, group, Skype ID, and all of that, Twitter if you have Twitter and such. That you need to do is basically press this here saying that you're not a robot, and this little here, send me a news and updates. That's optional too. You don't need to have that clicked if you don't want getting emails from the page once a week or whatever. You don't need to have that, but this one you need to press. I agree to the terms of user policy, privacy policy, and then create account. Well, I myself, I have already made an account, so let's just go in there. No, I don't need to sign up. Let's just press this. There, now I'm in Icelandic farmer here. As you can see, this is basically looks basically the same as the old page, but if you haven't been on the old page, you're gonna have see there is a lot of nice features here you can choose. You can see these 3 boxes here. If you press them, it will change how things will show up on your page. As you can see, these lines that will show one topic here and so on. If you have it like this, it will show it in boxes instead. Or you can go for the third option that will show everything like this, more detailed, I would say. But that's totally up to you how to do that. If you are in here and want to do I don't know, start a new topic, you want to have seen something really cool or want to just share something with everybody, you press new topic, and it's about, well, let me test forum and continue. Then you get this. You need to give it a title. So let's say I did found some cool mod, so let's call it a mod. And it tags farming simulator, for example. and then you write what you want to write about that tag, or about that mod. And if you have any pictures about that mod, for example, you see this one here. It shows a drag file here to attach or choose. You don't need to drag it. You can just find the picture you want and drag it in. But here you can go in. You need to press that choose files, and then it will give you the opportunity to choose the pictures yourself or whatever you want to put in there, if you have a picture of the mod or whatever. When you are done with that, you basically can choose here, notify me of replies or not. That's totally up to you. And then just submit topic when you are done. And you have a lot of stuff here to help you with making it exactly like you want, fonts and a lot of stuff to make it look good. So yeah, that's basically what it is mostly about. You have, of course, here forums and clubs, other pics, articles too, and blogs. You can create your own blog, for example, like Grizzly Bear Sims is here. He is a big blogger on PCSG. As you can see, he made one here, Quality Wings, Boeing 787 Dreamliner. He is into flight simulator and of course farm sim too. And a lot of other stuff that is really interesting. Knowledge base. This is where you can, if you're a new member on the page, for example, and you have gotten through the signing up process, you go in here to press how to, and then you will find most of the things that you need to know about the page and how it's gonna work. As I'm myself, I don't know the half of everything you can do on this page, but me and Wonko went through this a little bit yesterday, and they are basically really similar to the old page, but with a lot of new stuff. If you're a YouTuber, for example, you have a activity YouTube page, it will be put up here. I'm not sure how that is actually working myself, but as you can see, you have here quick links, forums, gallery, mods, modding, chat, even chat. You can chat here. You have the staff, something saying there, error. as I was saying, this is not up and running fully. It's just going on 50%, if I do understand right. So there are a lot of things that needs to be made fixed. You have the modding partners, the activity. You have a lot of multi YouTube. That's basically, I think it is multiplayer, multi Twitch. My account streams and my activity streams. I mean, modding partners. You have modding partners. We go in there, and you will have all our modding partners. I'm not sure. I think there are more than those. We have Stevie, LS Mod Company, Johnny Wee, and the Black Sheep, but I thought there were gonna be more. We have our staff, of course. We have Wonko. He is the one that started all of this. We have Ian Plant. We have Grizzly Bear Sims, Dirt Racer, and Prom, and Doc Surly. If I understand, Johnny Wee is one of those staff people too, I think, if I remember right. So if you are a modder, for example, please sign up as a modding partner. You have mods. If you are in here to find some mods, you will find them in the mods selection. You have a gallery. You can upload the pictures. As you can see, they already started here. Prom and Wonko and Big Johnny D. He have been using a Ford, I see, and a Massey machinery. I've been doing some testing here, as I can see. And here you have the support. If you have any problems, you can contact the support through here. So that's basically it, what I can tell you right now, and we will probably come up with more videos later as soon as I get more info. In knowledge base, you have the how-to. I went over that a little bit, and you have guidelines. If you want to know the guidelines, here they are. Be nice, be respectful, be helpful, do have fun, do bring a sense of humor, you will need it. Yeah, that's true. No swearing, no spam, no problem. This is PCSG guidelines, basically. Not hard to remember. So we have them here. Yeah, another thing. We use Discord very much. So that's actually used here. So here you have Wonko's Discord name that you can find him, and if you have problems, you can send him a message through Discord, and he will try to help us as good as he can. We have another thing here, recommended sites, cosplay tutorials, for example. Here we have, for example, Grizzly Bear Sims. We have, let's go over to next. Yeah, they have put all Grizzly Bear Sims up there. Then we have, of course, PCSG Community Wiki, calendar, leaderboard, staff, online users, and terms of service. So, yeah. You just have to go through the page and try to find out how most of the things work, but you can watch the videos that are in how to first, and then it will basically, you can find the video you need help with. Well, I hope this was helpful for you, and you will be enjoying this good community that you have already signed up for, and hope to see you in our streams, everybody's. There are a lot of nice YouTubers on PCSG, and of course a lot of good modders that are helping us YouTubers too. So have a good one. So goodbye.